Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is to help teach you how to take your links from being like on sites like Linktree or Milkshake and directing everybody, all of your traffic, and having your links already on your own website. As you can see up here, you're going right to my page and you're not utilizing a third party and getting them traffic to their site before people come to yours. I think that this will also help with people keeping their interest and stuff. Because I know a lot of times if I'm going through something and I'm jumping through a bunch of hoops, sometimes I'm just like, I give up. And that can hinder a lot of things as well. Now, this works really good for Shopify. And I think it would probably also work really well for those of you using like GoDaddy or Wix or something. Anything where you can edit your footer. That's where I put my links at. You don't have to do that. You can put it in your menu, put it wherever you want on your website. As long as you can edit your pages and your navigation, I think you're going to be good. I tried to do this on Etsy and it did not work. So I'm really sorry. If anybody figures out how to do it on Etsy directly, like let me know, or maybe create a tutorial on how you did it for your Etsy page. And then that way we can help everybody out. Little side note about Etsy. I left Etsy a few months ago because of all the money that I was losing. And then I was left driving all of the traffic to my own website. A little hack is I've thrown a couple of the cheaper things up on Etsy still, and my links and everything to my website are on Etsy. So it's actually helping utilizing Etsy as like a landing page. And then that way you're also directing people to your website as well. In order to do these kinds of things with the images and stuff, I utilized Canva. You can use the free or the paid version of Canva to do it. Just keep in mind that if you are doing the free version, you may not have access to everything that they have to offer. So you're going to come up here and you're going to click the Create a Design button. And then you can search for banners or whatever. But what I did is I created a custom size. I went with the 72 by 18 inches. Play around with it. Do it. It makes you happy. You don't have to use my sizing, but this is a good place to get you guys started. You're going to create a new design. It opens up your blank canvas right here. And then on the side, you have things like templates and elements and uploads and photos. And when you do upload your own photos, you get to use those on anything. So if you're on the free version, any photo that you upload, you have access to. If you're doing things like the photos over here, there's a lot of them that are for the pro only. There's a few free ones. But basically, what we're going to do is you're going to take this and make it your own. Put it on brand, decorate it, have fun with it, and work with it until you're happy. Then you're going to go through and make one for each one of your links. So I'm going to come back to my link page. And as you can see, I have the Shop Now, the Visit Our VIP group, the Meet the Maker, Boss Babe's Guide to Self-Care, which I'm really excited to share with you guys at some point. My Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Amazon wishlist, tip jar. The YouTube one will be up here in a minute. But yeah, so you're going to go through and you're just going to make one for each one of those. I created 2 separate templates, and then I just I worked back and forth on each one of them, downloading them. And that way, when I came over to my links, they were, you see that you have like the writing here with the image here, and then like the next one's the image with the writing. So I was working on 2 different templates. After you've created one for each one of your links, go ahead and save all of them. And then you're going to come over and log into your Shopify account. And then once you're in Shopify, you're going to go down to, let me move my face out of the way. Go ahead and go down to your online store. Once you're in your online store, go down to pages. So now, as you see, I have my links already set up, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. You come to your add a page. So you titled it links. And that way, when it's creating your URL for up here, it's going to have the links included And that way it helps with your SEO and people will just know where they're at. You're going to come down here and type in something. So I'm just going to type in links, but you can type in pretty much whatever you want, like check out or follow me on these accounts, whatever you want to do, whatever makes you happy. That's what you're going to put there. Play with the headings. I used heading 3 on mine, but again, like this is all tailored to what makes you happy with your website. And then I center aligned it. And so there's that. And then I went in and so I'm gonna do one for Pinterest. Pin with thingamaboho on Pinterest. And then again, I like to keep everything center. I feel like it looks better, more uniform, but again, it's all for whatever you find is perfect for what you're wanting. You're going to come up here and you're going to insert an image. So all of mine are already uploaded. So here's my Pinterest one, and you're just going to insert it and make sure it's center aligned again if you want it to be center aligned. If not, that's okay. And then you click on your image. It's going to highlight it in blue. Come over here, and then you're going to insert your link here. So I just did a copy and paste. I like to do a new window. That way they're not losing your actual link page. And then you type in your title. This is, like it says down here, it's used for accessibility and SEO. So we're going to pin with thingamaboho on Pinterest. And then that way it gives you some keywords so that when people are searching for you, like on Google and whatnot, it'll help be accessed a little bit easier. Then you're going to click on insert link. And then once you've done that, so I'll come back over here and show you what it will look like once you've actually published your page. So you'll find like your Pinterest account and you open it. And then it's just going to load and it takes you directly to your link. Okay, now that you have created your links, you're going to save it up here in the upper right hand corner. At least that's how it is on mine. I think I've seen some tutorials where things look a little bit different. So you're going to be sure that you save it. And then we're going to get to the most important part, which is the navigation. So you're going to click on your navigation. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I created mine in my footer, and that way it's not hanging out in my like main menu and everything. But my footer, I've renamed it for helpful tools. You click on that, and then scroll down to the bottom. You're going to add your menu item. You're going to title it links. And then when you go into your link, you're going to search or paste your link. We're going to go into pages. And then you're just going to find your links page that you just created. So you're going to click on that and then hit the add button that's down here in the lower right hand corner. Then it'll add it to your thing. You can adjust them. I moved my links page to the top. And then you're going to save it. And then once it reloads and you've got everything done, it's going to, here, I'll go back to the beginning. Okay. So you'll come up to your website. You'll scroll all the way down and there's your links right here. And then you click on it and it should look like this. And then before you go through and change all of your things in like your Instagram profile or your TikTok profile, go ahead and test out each one of these links to make sure that they're working, and that way you can make adjustments to it. When you get a new link that you want to add to it, you'll just have to go back into your page and edit your page, and you won't have to go through all of this again. So it'll automatically update for you. But I really hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. Feel free to message me on TikToks, leave a comment on here. And yeah, if you have any questions, just ask.